Dimensional Academy was launched in the year 1999. We have completed 14 years of excellence with more than 1000 editions in the classroom version. We have crossed 25 online batches successfully. More than 1000 design engineers are created by us who are working at high positions in diverse industries across the globe. Our online program is a boon to the international professionals drawing participation from all over India and abroad. This online program is more extensive and gives good time to learn and digest important multidisciplinary concepts that form the industry requirements.
In this topic, we will discuss the basic design philosophy, equipment list, load flow studies, short circuit studies, single line diagram, how to prepare the single line diagram, PSLD protection schemes, means how to do the protection coordinations as per the single line diagrams, right, and relay settings and coordinations. So today's topic is just as an introduction part, and next we will go with one actual project. Then you are able to understand the actual design of the systems. In basic design philosophy means while designing any electrical systems, what are the input parameters are required to design the electrical systems, right? In design philosophy, as per now, what is the input required from the client? Let us assume that, right? Now we are designing one plant as the electrical system design. In electrical system design, what is the electrical parameters? Like source, loads are there. Now to connect the load to the source, the branches are required, like cables, transformers are there. Now to define these systems from the load to the source side, so there should be a specific philosophy. Based on that philosophy, we design the electrical systems. Now in equipment list and load list, without equipment list and load list we cannot go ahead with system design, right? Now until and unless we know the loads or equipments, so once you know the equipments or loads, then we size our electrical systems, correct? Now in plant, so many process loads are there, and some utility loads are there. We don't know how many process loads are there and how many utility loads are there, but that input will come from the process team of the client, right? Now process team of the client will give us the process loads, utility team of the client will give us the utility loads. Now based on these loads, we will segregate the total loads. In this also, there are some critical loads are there, depends on the plant. Like if you take now let us start the discussion with industrial plant, because everywhere in India there is a boom of industries like steel industries, pharma industries, petrochemical industries, right? Now depending on the type of industries, there are and based on the different processes, the loads are segregated with respect to the process. Now if you take the automobile plant, there is a process like the automobile plant, the engine will come, right, for automobiles. Now next is engine. When this engine will come, there is a separate shop for the engine, means engine assembly shop, right? Now for these engines, now this engine is assembled in one compartment. Now engine testing, how to test that engine, whether it is working or not. So to test that engine, there is another separate shop for engine testing laboratory is there, right? So this is means why I am talking about the automobile plant is the simplest philosophy to discuss in electrical system, because all other, if you take the examples in introduction for all other parts, all other plants, it is quite tedious to understand. So in body shops, so many welding loads are there, because your product line is in product line so many products are there. It may be 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let us assume that 10 products are in line in body shop. Now to assemble that product with doors and windows, you required so many welding guns, correct? So how you give the supply to these welding guns? That is our work. The electrical system design will give the supply to the welding guns. Now how to give the supply to the welding guns, that is our main aim to discuss in this lectures. In this means coming lectures or depends on the topics where it will come. So today's my intention is just to introduce how the electrical system design works. What are the different categories of electrical systems, means in what way the electrical system design is applied in various plants, right? Now we talked about the electric equipment list and load list. That equipment list and load list, once we understand the philosophy of the any plant, right, once we know how the process flow, once we know, let us take tire manufacturing plant, MRF tire, we have to understand the process first. Once we understand the process, then go ahead with your design philosophy, right? So what are the loads are there for the process loads, utility loads, and ultimately other loads are obviously there, like fans, tube lights. They are common loads, they are required everywhere, whether it is industry, whether it is power plant or infrastructures. These are the common utilities. Light, air, it is required everywhere.